Hi everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Prep. In this week's video, I wanted to share with you this incredible recipe for Liege waffles that are made with pearl sugar. Pearl sugar is simply crystallized sugar that look like little white pearls that are sold in grocery stores. But if you don't have pearl sugar, you could just simply take a sugar cube and mash it down. Or you can do what I'm doing here is by taking 1 cup of sugar and placing in 2 teaspoons of water into a saucepan on low flame and start mixing it until little balls of sugar start to form and start to dehydrate because of the flame. Once that's done, you put that aside and you start working on the batter. I'll have the full recipe linked in the description bar below, but we're going to be starting with the batter. We'll first put in a 1/3 cup of warm water, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of yeast, then 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of melted butter, 2 cups of flour, 3 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything really well and let's set it aside, cover it with a plastic wrap. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you let it rest for longer, it'll probably rise even longer, but my kids were really impatient and they wanted me to do it, so I just let it rest for 15 minutes. And then I add in my 1 cup of pearl sugar that I made previously. I mix that again really well to make sure that the pearl sugar is incorporated throughout that batter. And then I start placing it into the waffle iron. With the pearl sugar, this is what happens. There's this caramelization of the sugar when it starts to melt and it becomes chewy and crystallized, and it's just incredible. And I highly recommend it. This is more of a treat, like a dessert, than a really like a breakfast. And I highly recommend that you try it. Hope you guys enjoy, and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss a video that I'll post.